Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to show or hide the tab bar on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The steps are exactly the same for all Mac devices. The tab bar in Finder allows you to open multiple tabs within the same Finder window, just like you would in a web browser. This makes it easier to manage and switch between different folders without opening separate windows. If the tab bar is not visible, here's how you can show it. Start by opening a Finder window. Then go to the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option Show Tab Bar. Click on it, and the tab bar will appear just below the title bar of your Finder window, allowing you to add and switch between tabs. If the tab bar is already visible and you want to hide it, go back to the View menu and select Hide Tab Bar. You can toggle this option on or off anytime based on your preference, and that's how you show or hide the tab bar on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.